no matter what. Can we proceed? Are you guys ready? Alright, okay. So this will record my audio and video for sure. So this is the document I have given in the Google link, Amit. And I hope you have the version 20. You can see that name here. So in this, if you go to page 18, I have the local document of this, but I will make sure whether you are able to see this. So let me go to page 18. Oh, maybe this numbering is a little different here. Let me try to download this document so I make sure that you have the right one. Okay, meanwhile, while download, okay, it's coming up. V20 of 1, okay, no problem. Let me just download it desktop so I can quickly open it without any issues. Alright, oh, that's quick. Alright, so here is my document, V20, and I'm going to quickly jump into the page 18 I mentioned. Oops, stop. Yeah, here is this. So I don't know what page it is. It says page 18 of 43, but when I see the preview, it is showing me a different number. So just download and then see it here. So this is the page I'm talking about. So if I can just little maximize it so you can really see what I'm talking about. So let's call it as page 1, 2 and 3. So it is easy to follow for both of you. Acknowledge me whenever I say do you understand or not, so that I know you are listening. So page 1 is the landing page of this MS3 application. Page 2 is the when somebody search for something and hit the search button and they see a bunch of hyperlinks. That is page 2, which is search result page. And what we are seeing in the screenshot here is page 3. Are we in a good understanding on that? Cool. Okay. Karthi, how about yours? Karthi, are you listening? You can use the chat that is next to the phone icon in the join.me, and you can just type your message there so I can see your acknowledgement. I'm sure you're listening, but yeah, let me go ahead while you figure it out. So this screenshot is where the social community will come into picture. So here this is page 3, and at the bottom of it, let me try to highlight it so you know what I'm on it, and use the highlighter. Okay. Oh, for some reason this is not annotating. Yeah, this works. Yeah, this is good. So what you are seeing on the bottom, right? I hope you are seeing my screen. So here you have all the comments, and there is a thumbs up and thumbs down. You have to think it as a thumbs up and thumbs down, though it doesn't look like that. And then those are the comments that are added for this particular document, the document that is being viewed. Every MS3 dealer aftermarket who are viewing this application can add a comment by using this section where they can just type whatever they want in a multi-line text box and hit submit. When they submit, it will go through a moderation process, and there will be a standalone page where we show all the all the comments that are added for a given document, and a Mazda team member will go through those comments and see if it is appropriate to show, and then approve it or reject it. When they approve it, those comments will be available here, and there will be like the page will grow based on the size of the comments, and the comments will always appear with the small thumbnail view of the display picture of the profile. I'm sure you already understand that for every logged in user in MS3 application, there is a profile management for them, so they can upload their profile display picture and use it for their their identification. So when they log in, when you go to the previous pages, you will notice that the display picture is being shown in the profile badge right here. So that picture is being used in a smaller size, like probably like 20 by 20 or whatever, a small thumbnail of it, and will be used under each comment, so to identify who did that comment. So far, are you with me? Okay, cool. So the comments which are approved is going to show on the bottom of the actual document. So social community is nothing but just this bottom section, and it will only appear on viewing a specific document. It won't be available on page 1 or page 2. It will be only on page 3 on the bottom of each and every document. Okay, and this is not for videos, not for 3D PDF. It is only for a HTML document. The reason is 3D PDF and videos are only going to be available as the right hand side selection here. It won't be a standalone video that will be coming in the search result. So those are supposed to be only associated to a specific document. So any documents in any channels like service manual, highlights, TSB, whatever, when they see it, they can comment on that document. So the next feature on this social community is when they comment on a document, like I am a dealer, I am going and commenting on a document saying that this particular step is really helping me solve the issue. So I went through step 1, 2, 3, and in step 4 I had a problem, so I skipped it. In step 5 I finished my work. So I share my comments and share my kind of experience in these comments, and the next dealer, like say Amit is coming in as a dealer, and he's seeing my comment and trying to follow the same comment, and it also helped him to fix the problem by skipping the step 4. So he liked my comment saying that this helped me, so he click on the thumbs up. So Karthi, he's going and then trying the same step, but it didn't work. And then looks like I'm giving a wrong message for Karthi. So Karthi clicks on thumbs down. So similarly, everybody who likes and then dislikes, they are going to click thumbs up and thumbs down appropriately on a specific comment. So they can click on any number of thumbs up and thumbs down. They can only click one comment. They can only click either thumbs up or thumbs down. They cannot do both. So but they can do like that for any all the list of comments. Each and every comment they can click thumbs up or thumbs down. So when they click already a thumbs up, and when they now click the thumbs down, then it is going to just revert. So it is not going to vote both of them. I hope you understand what I mean. So it's just like your Facebook like button, so you can like or unlike, you cannot do both, right? So just like that. Likewise, you can like on each and every comments. So similarly, any user can like and dislike each and every comment on the document. Okay, so I don't need to go further on this. So but every time when somebody like or dislike, it will be added to a voting score. So like imagine this as every like will have a positive score and every dislike will have a negative score. So at the time of loading these comments, we will try to combine all the score on each and every comment, and based on the who tops the whole score, like let's say based on the score, will sort it, and then the highest score will come on top. So that it means business wise, I can explain this way, like the most useful comment will display on the top and the least useful comment will display on the bottom. Is it clear? What's the algorithm for calculating thumbs up and thumbs down? Algorithm is very simple. Every time when somebody clicks thumbs up, we are going to record that particular user's vote against that particular comment as +1 or -1. So if we initially thought like to have a score between 0 to 5 and then have a moderate score of 2.5 and go up or down in the ladder, and then if they reach 0 or 5 we will just stop there, otherwise we will just keep up and just aggregate it to a scale of 5. But later we get into a understanding from Mazda that they wanted to just make it simple, so that every time when somebody click thumbs up, we will just add a +1 score, and everybody clicks thumbs down, we will add a -1 score, and each of them will be a database entry against that user profile. So when you are voting, you will be a separate database entry, and Karthi is voting, he will also have a separate entry on the document for my comment. Is that clear? Okay, Karthi is now coming back. Cool. So this this works better, I know. One way talking and you just chatting. But I don't like it. I really need a conversation. All right, so let's make it fast. So any other questions on social community? What's your question? Are we displaying the count? No, we are not. We are just using it internally for sorting it. That's it. So just like what you see here, you won't be seeing the count. You just see the thumbs up and thumbs down. And what might we might do visually is like when you hit a thumbs up, we might show the icon little brighter, and if it is not voted, then the icon will be little grayed out or whatever, so that it looks like they either voted or not voted will be visibly showing the difference. So that's the only small thing. Can dealer submit his response for a video file? No. As I told you already, videos and 3D PDFs are not for voting. It is just for displaying on the right hand side when a HTML document is being viewed. So page 1, page 2, page 3, remember that. Page 2 is going to be always HTML documents, and we are